I'm gonna do this real quick. Real quick, brother. Because we gotta go somewhere and they're waiting outside. So we're coming to market, right? Keep in mind, today was a trash day. Trash day. Nothing to be, so sketched out about it. But yeah, so we marked this high here and high. Oh no, not this high. High here, like we marked out all this high, these highs. Was hoping to manipulate higher, to be honest. Yeah, so we marked those highs, we got that recent high. Spotting at recent highs is not a problem anymore. We marked out these lows here. These lows here. Wait. There was equal lows around here. Or was I tripping? Oh no, there. These lows. Yeah, so yeah, we came into market, right? We got straight away we got a bearish SMT when market opened. Market opened here, we sweep this high that we marked out. ES didn't sweep the high, so we left that high, and now we are ugly, bro, ugly. ES is just ugly. Sorry, ES, didn't mean to hurt your feelings, but you ugly as fuck. Anyways, we got the SMT, right? Then we look for original targets, 75 points again. Right, original targets, right? Yeah, so we came into market, did all that then we waited for market to give us something. We got this 2-minute fair value gap, and we also got the same fair value gap on a 3-minute. So we got that fair value gap on a 3-minute. Since 3-minute was the high of, no way. Okay. Higher time frame that had the gap. Since 3-minute was a higher time frame that had the gap. I waited for the 3-minute to get inverted. We got inverted on that 3-minute here. Then I put a pending order up there, waiting for price to tap me back in, tap me into that trade. We hit that, and I got tapped in, and then stops above here for edging my stop loss, and we were pushing down, but we didn't see this 15-minute gap. So my mistake now is whatever leg we are on right now, mark out every single thing, so you can get a good calculation down. Oh man, that is, I mean, we read the candles right. That's all I can say. So yeah, so I wanted to manipulate this high or this high, preferably this high, man. I don't even know if I said that right, bro. It's so dominant. But yeah, we wanted to manipulate the high here, but since we just manipulated this high, I was keen on taking it. Then yeah, tap me in, nearly hitting stop loss, push down into this 15-minute gap. Let's just watch it in my TP. Let's put an alert on it. Look at it, look at it go. Oh, I don't wanna. Alright. Anyways, hit full TP there. Yeah. I think I got in a bit too early though. I think I got in a bit too early though. Because this would have been a high to manipulate, this would have been a high to manipulate, this would have been a high to manipulate. And we manipulated all that. Like the patience, the FOMO and that. I mean, I wouldn't call it FOMO, but I followed my plan. That's all that matters. I followed my plan. But since I got a good rejection off this 15-minute, I took it out. Took it out around here. Around 800. Around this right here. Making me about 400 bucks. Then we pushed up to manipulate higher. And then we pushed further down. If I was to enter again, I'll enter off this 1 minute inversion. And I won't even wait for a retrace. I'll enter off that 1 minute inversion. Because we already got that manipulation telling us we're pretty strong, going bearish, you know. And then 75 points right there. That's me entering again. That's if I took that, but no. I'm out. I'm out. Yeah, that was the trade. So SMT swept the highs. We got a breakout that, and we inverted that 3 minute higher time frame gap. And we got to retrace into that gap. Tap me in, took the trade. So when we took the trade on that 3 minute, I wanted to close below one of the lows here. Yeah, this low. I wanted to close below that low, and then I'll go break even. We closed above or below the low here. We break even, but we've been getting good rejections off this gap. I reckon if this gap wasn't here, we would have pushed like this. And that's like the 4th time I've seen that happen. If we have another confluence that we're getting a good rejection of, we're definitely gonna manipulate a different high or low to push down, further down. Yeah, it's hitting all our lines right now. Good read though. Good psychology in this trade as well. Yeah, that's it. Catch you on the next one, bro.